Hello tool lovers, welcome back to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're revealing 20 insanely smart woodworking tools from Amazon that every DIYer and pro woodworker will want in their workshop. From genius cutting gadgets to time-saving shop tools, these inventions can make your projects faster, cleaner, and more professional. Get ready to discover amazing tools that will completely upgrade your woodworking game. Stainless steel gauge blocks. The Woodpeckers. Stainless steel gauge blocks are precision-engineered setup tools designed for fast and accurate machine calibration in any woodworking shop. Made from solid stainless steel with a 3/8 inch thickness, they stand firmly on machine tables for hands-free alignment. Their sandblasted, non-glare finish ensures easy readability under bright shop lighting. With laser-engraved imperial and metric scales, these blocks deliver exceptional accuracy with tight tolerances. Ideal for setting blade angles, checking squareness, and fine-tuning tools, they are essential for professional woodworking precision. Cabinet clamps. The Grenlive cabinet face frame clamps are professional three-way alignment tools designed to simplify cabinet installation work. Built from high-strength die-cast aluminum with an anti-scratch finish, they deliver up to 440 pounds of clamping force for tight, gap-free joints. Their dual-axis tightening system ensures perfect horizontal and vertical alignment between cabinets. An integrated swing-out drill guide allows precise pilot hole drilling without losing position, making installation faster, cleaner, and highly accurate for both pros and DIY woodworkers. Miter saw stand. The Twukee planer and miter saw stand is a heavy-duty mobile workstation designed for compact garages and professional workshops. Built from reinforced powder-coated steel, it supports 300 to 400 pounds and safely mounts both a miter saw and thickness planer. Its 360-degree locking caster wheels provide smooth mobility and stability during use. The flip-top rotating design allows quick 180-degree tool switching, while telescoping support arms handle long lumber. Universal mounting tracks ensure compatibility with major tool brands for maximum workshop efficiency and convenience. Pen trimmer and Reamer set. The Axminster pen trimmer and Reamer set is a professional CNC machined pen preparation system designed for precision wood turning. Made in the UK, it mounts easily into a drill press or lathe chuck to square pen, blank ends perfectly flush with brass tubes while removing excess glue. Built from stainless steel, it offers durability and corrosion resistance. Its carbide-tipped, indexable cutters deliver clean, tear-free cuts on hardwoods and acrylics. The integrated reamers ensure smooth, accurate tube cleaning for flawless pen assembly. Contour Gauge Profile Tool. The Saker Contour Gauge Profile Tool is a precision shaping device designed for carpenters, installers, and DIY enthusiasts who need accurate duplication of complex outlines. It easily copies pipes, corners, trim, and irregular edges for perfect cutting on wood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and metal. Built from durable ABS plastic with 159 smooth sliding pins, it ensures precise, scratch-free marking. The dual-scale ruler adds metric and imperial measurements, while the locking lever securely holds shapes for easy transfer and cutting. Insulation knife. The MINOVA. Insulation knife is a heavy-duty, double-sided cutting tool designed for clean and precise insulation work. Its 11-inch stainless steel blade easily slices through fiberglass, rock wool, EPS foam, and other dense materials without tearing or producing excess dust. The ergonomic soft grip handle reduces hand fatigue during long jobs. With fine and coarse serrated edges, it handles both soft bats and rigid boards. A protective sheath ensures safe storage and easy job site carrying. Max Hand Planer. The DEWALT 20V Max Brushless Cordless 3 1/4 inch hand planer, DCP580B, is a powerful industrial-grade tool designed for trimming doors, shaping lumber, and creating smooth chamfers with precision. Its high-efficiency brushless motor delivers up to 15,000 revolutions per minute for consistent, corded level performance with cordless freedom. With a 3 1/4 inch planing width and adjustable cutting depth up to 5/64 of an inch, it ensures accurate material removal. The dual-blade drum system, aluminum shoes, and dust ejection control make it reliable, clean, and ideal for professional woodworking tasks and demanding job site use.
CabinetPRO. The Milescraft 1344. CabinetPRO is a professional-grade all-metal jig built for precise cabinet hardware installation. Its machined aluminum body prevents flex, ensuring accurate square drilling every time. With a 32-inch range, it handles large drawers easily, while reversible stops allow quick left/right door adjustments. Hardened steel bushings improve durability and accuracy. Dual measurement scales, centering notches, and included spacers guarantee consistent results. Designed for efficiency, it also features tool-free adjustments and comes with a protective carrying case. Big Eye Intelligent Position Manager. The Big Eye BPM. Intelligent Position Manager by Harvey Woodworking is a smart upgrade for table saw precision. It uses an AI-powered camera and sensors to deliver real-time digital fence readings with extreme accuracy. The system features micro-adjustment control, audible feedback, and wireless bevel tracking. It also includes automatic compensation and vibration filtering for stability. With no mod installation and a detachable display, it enhances efficiency and accuracy, priced around $1,190 in 2026. Polycarbonate Mallets. The Woodpeckers. Polycarbonate mallets are precision striking tools designed to deliver powerful dead blows with zero rebound. Made from fighter jet grade polycarbonate, the head slightly deforms on impact, transferring maximum force while protecting delicate surfaces. A full-length steel tenon ensures strength and balance, while the aircraft-grade aluminum handle provides durability and comfort. Available in clear or black, these mallets are built for long-lasting performance and typically include a convenient racket storage bracket. MATCHFIT Grid Router. Guide Kit. The Microjig. MATCHFIT Grid. Router Guide Kit is a smart self-indexing system that creates precise 4-inch by 4-inch dovetail clamping grids without measuring or marking. Compatible with most 1 to 3 horsepower rotors, it uses a 2-step process with relief and dovetail bits for accurate cuts. The guide automatically aligns each pass, ensuring perfect spacing. Once complete, the grid enables versatile 360-degree clamping. The kit includes essential hardware, offers a 3-year warranty, and is widely available from major retailers. Multi-head drill driver. The Skil Brushless 20V compact. Multi-head drill driver QD6293B-10 is a versatile, lightweight tool designed for tight spaces. It features 4 interchangeable heads, including a 3/8 inch chuck, hex holder, right angle, and offset attachments, plus a digital brushless motor delivering up to 450 inch-pounds of torque. The USB-C rapid charging 2.0 ampere-hour battery powers both the tool and devices. Compact at 5 inches and 1.6 pounds, it includes an LED work light, belt clip, and storage bag for convenient DIY and professional use. Granite Profile Abrasives. The Festool. Granat Profile Abrasives are precision foam-backed sanding pads designed for complex shapes, contours, and decorative profiles. Their 13mm polyurethane foam core conforms to intricate edges, while high-performance granite grain ensures fast material removal and long life. The anti-clog coating prevents smearing, and uniform pressure avoids grooves. Available in medium, fine, and superfine grits. These abrasives excel on wood, painted surfaces, and plastics, and are optimized for use with Festool sanders on detailed projects. Band clamps. The Kreg tool. Edge band clamps KEBC02 are spring-style clamps designed for fast, secure edge banding on plywood or sheet goods. Their stretchable, glue-resistant band pulls trim tightly, while GripMax TM pads prevent slipping without marring surfaces. Pivoting jaws ensure full contact on irregular shapes, and one-handed operation frees your other hand for alignment. Made from nylon and fiberglass reinforced plastic, they handle edges up to 1 inch thick and are sold as a convenient 2-pack. Woodpeckers CornerLock. The Woodpeckers CornerLock is a precision, spring-loaded clamping tool that keeps 2 workpieces perfectly square during assembly. Its dual spring system includes standard duty springs for heavier stock and light duty springs for delicate projects. A self-adjusting steel square jaw automatically compensates for thickness variations up to 1/4 inch. Built from steel and aircraft-grade aluminum, it handles stock from 1/2 inch to 7/8 inch, or down to 1/4 inch with optional pins, making fastening, shelving, and alignment faster and more accurate. LEVOITE Precision Miter Gauge. The LEVOITE Precision Miter Gauge is built for woodworkers who demand accuracy and repeatability. It offers a wide angle adjustment range with precision machined positive stops at common angles for fast, reliable setups. The extendable all-aluminum fence provides excellent support for long workpieces, while laser-etched scales and optional magnifier improve readability. A snug-fitting adjustable miter bar ensures smooth, play-free movement in standard slots, making it ideal for table saws, router tables, and precision joinery tasks. Rikon 11-600 LEN variable speed 10 inches. The Rikon 11600S variable speed 10-inch portable table saw is a versatile, job site ready machine built for precision and power. Its 2 horsepower, 15 amp motor delivers adjustable blade speeds from 2000 to 4200 RPM, making it ideal for cutting wood, plastics, and non-ferrous metals. With a 28-inch rip capacity, 3 1/8 inch max cut depth, and support for dado stacks up to 13/16 inch, it handles demanding tasks easily. A foldable stand, onboard storage, safety features, and included accessories enhance portability, convenience, and overall value. Squijig Fusion 7.5 inch Rafter Square. The Squijig Fusion 7.5 inch Rafter Square is a precision CNC machined, multifunctional layout tool built for serious carpenters. It features an ultra-visible 360-degree integrated level for instant plumb and level checks, plus patented built-in 1/2 inch and 9/16 inch blade wrenches for quick circular saw blade changes. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's lightweight yet job site tough. Laser-etched markings, scribe notches, and an optimized heel deliver fast, accurate layout and cutting guidance. Jessem Dowelling Jig Master Kit. The Jessem Dowelling Jig Master Kit is a premium, all-in-one solution for creating strong, perfectly aligned dowel joints with professional accuracy. Built from CNC machined 6000 series aluminum with an anodized finish, it delivers long-lasting durability and precision. Hardened steel bushings ensure clean, accurate drilling for 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch dowels. The jig supports end, edge, and face. Drilling on boards from 1/2 inch to over 3 inches thick with precise indexing, laser engraved markings, and alignment features for repeatable results. SawStop Compact Table Saw. The SawStop Compact Table Saw, CTS, delivers professional grade safety and accuracy in a portable job site ready design. Its patented active injury mitigation system stops the blade in under 5 milliseconds upon skin contact, dramatically reducing injury risk. Weighing just 68 pounds, it's easy to transport yet built with a rigid frame for stability. A full-size 10-inch blade, rack and pinion fence, micro-adjust bevel system, and powerful 15-amp motor ensure precise, clean cuts for small workshops and on-the-go projects. Jessem Clearcut TS Stock Guides. The Jessem Clearcut TS Stock Guides enhance table saw safety and precision with angled rollers that apply downward and inward pressure, keeping stock firmly against the fence and table. Dual action rollers steer material while spring pressure holds it down, eliminating separate featherboards. One-way bearings prevent kickback, ensuring safer operation. Easy height and position adjustments along the 30-inch T-track deliver consistent clean rip cuts. CNC machined aluminum construction, durable urethane tired rollers, and steel axles provide long-lasting performance. Compatible with most commercial fences and accessory kits for Incra or Delta Unisaw. Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear 1/2 inch. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear 1/2 inch tools combine innovation, precision, and durability for woodworkers. Featuring nanograin carbide inserts, they stay razor sharp without sharpening. Made in Strongsville, Ohio, with factory direct pricing, the tools include 1/2 inch mid-size turning tools and rotor bits. Chromoly steel shafts with patented geometry allow ultra-smooth shear scraping, while replaceable cutters extend tool life. Comfortable rock maple handles, carbide-tipped router bits, and versatile designs ensure precise clean cuts across shaping, trimming, and pattern work. These high-quality tools reduce sanding and enhance efficiency.